Hey Earthies, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, my name is Ebony. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I make vegan fried chicken. Yes, I said fried chicken. This is obviously a vegan alternative. So today we're going to be frying mushroom. I'm going to be showing you guys how I get the fried mushroom to taste and mimic chicken for salads, sides, buffalo wings, however you want to enjoy it. You can definitely still enjoy comfort food on a vegan plant-based diet. You guys know that I am weight conscious, so I try my best to fry this as healthy as possible. This isn't the healthiest recipe on my channel, but I do it a little bit differently than you might see other influencers making their fried mushroom, just because I'm a little bit more health conscious. But I'm gonna show you guys how I make it my way so that I can still kind of maintain my weight loss and enjoy fried mushroom guilt-free. If you guys enjoy this video, make sure you hit the like button, make sure you subscribe to this channel, and also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon.
So there are a few ways that I make this on the healthier side, even though it is a fried recipe. Number one, I skillet fry. As you guys can see, I'm not deep frying these. If you want to deep fry them, that's great. Do whatever you'd like, but I skillet fry mine. Number two, the ingredients I use, I'm using chickpea flour. I don't use white flour, and I'm using organic whole plant-based seasonings. Alongside that, I am using avocado oil instead of your typical vegetable or canola oil. All of these healthy ingredients help me make this recipe a little bit more weight loss friendly, a little bit more health friendly, and something that I can enjoy on a little bit more of a regular basis than the average typical fried mushroom recipe that is made with white flour and hydrogenated oils.